Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute popcorn earrings made with popcorn stitches, which gives this earrings a very nice 3D look, and I've also added a pearl embellishment which makes this earrings even more cuter. The written pattern of this cute earrings is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. I have updated the link of the written pattern in the description box below. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. I used this size 8 crochet thread for making this popcorn earrings. I have already reviewed about this thread which I bought it in Amazon in my channel. You can see the video. I'll also update the video link in the description box, and I will be using 1.25mm crochet hook and scissors. We'll also need fish hooks, pearl embellishments for our projects. And starting round 1 would be magic ring, and then we'll work 6 single crochet around the magic ring. So once you have worked 6 single crochet, we'll work a slip stitch on top of our starting single crochet to close this round 1. So work 6 single crochets around the magic ring. So once you've worked 6 single crochets around the magic ring, I'm going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet. Before that, I'll just tighten the magic ring, and now let's secure it with a knot. So before working round 2, we'll work on a new stitch called popcorn stitch, which gives this earring a very nice 3D look. Now let's see how to work this popcorn stitch. To work the popcorn stitch, we'll work 5 double crochet on a given stitch, and then once you are done working the 5th double crochet, you gently take off your hook from your 5th double crochet stitch and then insert your hook onto the 1st double crochet stitch, and then pull the loop of your last double crochet, which is the 5th double crochet, into the first double crochet stitch. And now this creates a very nice 3D look stitch that looks like a bud or a popcorn, hence we call this stitch as a popcorn stitch. For round 2, we will be working popcorn stitch round. Now let's see how to work popcorn stitches for a round 2. So for round 2, we will work chain 3. So we have 6 single crochets on the round 1, and now for round 2 we will work chain 3, and this chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet, and then we'll work 4 more double crochet on the same stitch. So go ahead, work 4 more double crochet on the same stitch. Now once you have worked 4 more double crochets on the same stitch, you gently take off your hook onto the 5th double crochet and insert your hook onto the chain 3, which is our first double crochet, and pull the loop of the 5th double crochet onto this chain 3, which is our first double crochet. So now you have created your first popcorn stitch, and once that is done, work a chain 3 and then work your second popcorn stitch on the next stitch. So work 5 double crochets. Once you have worked 5th double crochet, gently take off your hook from the 5th double crochet stitch and insert your hook onto the first double crochet stitch and pull the loop of the 5th double crochet stitch onto the first double crochet stitch. Now doing this creates a nice textured stitch or a 3D stitch which looks like a popcorn. So now you have created your second popcorn stitch on the second stitch of the previous round. So once this is done, work a chain 3. So now on each stitch of the previous round, that is round 1, we are going to work 1 popcorn stitch followed by a chain 3. So go ahead, work one popcorn stitch followed by a chain 3 on each stitch of the previous round, and once that is done, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of your first popcorn stitch. So now I have worked my last popcorn stitch on the last stitch of the previous round, and I work a chain 3 now, and then I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting popcorn stitch. So with this, our round 2 is complete. Before proceeding with round 3, I will work a slip stitch on top of the next chain 3 space. Once that is done, I will work a chain 3, which is considered as my first double crochet, and then I will work 4 more double crochets on the same chain 3 space. Once that is done, I gently pull out my hook from the last double crochet stitch and insert onto the chain 3, which is my first double crochet stitch, and pull the loop of the 5th double crochet onto this, and I've created my first popcorn stitch, and then work a chain 3 and then work one more popcorn stitch on the same chain 3 space of previous round, followed by a chain 3. So on each chain 3 space of round 2, we are going to work 2 popcorn stitch separate with in between chain 3 spaces. So work 1 popcorn stitch, chain 3, and then work 1 more popcorn stitch on the same chain 3 space of previous round, and then work chain 3 again. So continue working like this around, that is 2 popcorn stitches with in between chain 3 spaces on each chain 3 space of previous round. So work like this around, and then once that is done, we are going to work a slip stitch on top of our starting popcorn stitch to close this round 3. So at the end of round 3, we will have 12 popcorn stitches with in between chain 3 spaces. So now I am at the end of round 3. I am just working my last popcorn stitch here, and then I will work a chain 3 and then work a slip stitch on top of my starting popcorn stitch to close this round 3. Then I will work a slip stitch, fasten off, and then weave the ends. So now I have weaved the ends. Even though this work or our earring is thick, it's not like stiff. We need to stiffen it up or block it using one part of glue and water. I have already shown you how to block it in my sunburst earring tutorial. I have updated the earring tutorial in the description box for you to go and check it out. So you need to make one more of these earrings for a pair of earrings. Now I have blocked this earrings. It's very nice and stiff now. So it's a good time to add in our pearl embellishments. I'm using an embroidery needle and pearl. I got this pearl string from Michael's. So I'm just going to sew this pearl in the middle of your popcorn flower. And I'll just secure it with a knot and then fasten off. So that's it, our pearl is attached to the earrings. It looks really cute, and this 3D look and texture gives a very nice look to your earrings. Now I'm going to add the fish hooks or earring hooks to any of the chain 3 space of our popcorn flower, and then gently tighten it. So you'll have to do the same for the other earring as well. So here it is, our cute popcorn earrings is ready with pearl embellishment. It looks really cute and beautiful. I have made the same earrings in many other different colors. I hope you enjoyed it. It looks very cute, isn't it? So try this at home and let me know your comments. The written pattern of this cute earrings is available in my website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. The link is in the description. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.